Hello children and welcome back to our online class. Today we are going to know the process of planting, which is also called as seed germination activity. So would you like to do this activity? Yes, I'm sure you will love to do it. Do you know children? Plants, trees are all around us. It is the most important element of the nature. Plants, trees give us oxygen to breathe in. Yes. And do you know, for this planting process, what is the most four important things are? Sunlight, water, and nice rich soil. And the most last important point is, you have to take the proper care of that plant. Then only that process will be the good process. Yes. And for that process I will be using seeds, which is the seeds which I have taken is the green gram, one plastic container, then soil and water. So parents, do you know, by doing this process the child will learn to feel the texture of the seeds, to feel the texture of soil, which will also enhance their sensorial experience, which is also coordinated by eye-hand coordination and which is equalized by the concentration. Okay then, children, you will see what the teacher is doing and you will follow the same thing with the guidance of your parents. Come on now, let's start with the activity. So children, now we are going to start with the process of germination of plant. Now the materials with me are, see, I have one plastic glass and I have made holes into this plastic glass because we don't want water to resist into the pot for too long. And I have one plate on which we are going to do this process. Then I have soil, I have green gram seeds with me. Whatever seeds you have at home, you can use it. Then I have some water with me. Okay, so let's start with the germination process of the plant. Now let's take some soil and we will make one layer of soil into this glass. Okay, so this is the first layer of a glass soil. Okay, then we will sow these seeds into this soil. Working on the farm all day long, everybody sing the planting song. First you take the seed and sow it all around, sow it all around, sow it all around. First you take the seeds and sow it all around, sow it all around, sow it all around. Working on the farm all day long, everybody sing the planting song. Now you will cover these seeds with some soil. You will make small layer of a soil on that seeds. Then you take some water and pour it all around, pour it all around, pour it all around. Then you take some water and pour it all around, pour it all around, pour it all around. Then sun comes outside and it shines down, it shines down, it shines down. Then leaves grow green, stems grow brown, stems grow brown, stems grow brown. Then working on the farm all day long, everybody sing the planting song. Then this process is ready, children. Now we are going to keep this small pot into the sunlight. Then after a week you will see the changes in these seeds. Then the small leaves will come outside and you will see the small tiny plants. Come on now, let's take this pot and we will keep into the sunlight. Now we are going to keep this glass into the sunlight. And I am going to keep here, and day by day I will look after it. And I will pour little bit of water, and it will also get sunlight from outside, because this process needs little bit of warmth, moisture and rich soil to grow into a little plant. Okay, now we will do our next activity. And now Adhiraj will also try this germination process. Yes, will you do it?
Okay.
Come on, let's try. Working on the farm all day long, everybody sing the planting song. Working on the farm all day long, everybody sing the planting song. Come on, take it. Working on the farm all day long, everybody sing the planting song. Then you take a seed and sow it in the ground, sow it in the ground, sow it in the ground. First you take a seed and sow it in the ground, sow it in the ground, sow it in the ground. Okay, now just put the layer of mud into it. Then you take some water and pour it all around, pour it all around, pour it all around. Then you take some water and pour it all around, pour it all around, pour it all around. Working on the farm all day long, everybody sing the planting song. Working on the farm all day long, everybody. So children, have you seen the process of planting a seed? Yes, and these seeds will grow into a small tiny plants. Now first what will happen into this? Now we have sowed the seeds into this little small pot. Then the roots will form, and every day it will get sunshine. Then we'll pour a little bit of water. Then after a week, it will turn into a small tiny plant, and then you will feel so happy to do what you have done. Okay, so would you like to do this activity at your home? Okay parents, please encourage your child to do these activities, and they really will enjoy these activities. Thank you. Take care. Hello children, and welcome back to our online class. So 2-3 days before, we have done one amazing activity. Which one? Yes, the germinating activity. Do you know, I have one surprise for you. Let's see. Hey, look, what's here? What is this? This is a plant. Yes, but how it has formed? On that day, which seeds I have sowed in this soil has turned into the plant. See? Wow, it's really amazing. I'm feeling so happy, children.